Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Blush and Blink. I am Namrata. So guys, in today's video I'll be sharing my reviews on this beautiful foundation which is from K-Beauty by Katrina. So as you know, this is an Indian brand which is from the actress Katrina Kaif, and all the products from the K-Beauty is exclusively available on Nykaa. Here in this video, I'll be sharing all the details about this foundation like packaging, shade details, consistency, best skin type, coverage, finish and everything. So without wasting any time, let's start the video.
We were traveling mountains just to find the loudest seas.
This foundation comes in this kind of cardboard packaging with a beautiful design on it. You can see the ingredients list here and other details. It retails for 1200 rupees. This is a hydrating foundation which contains avocado butter, mango butter and hyaluronic acid, which is best for dry skin people. On the top of the box you can see the shade. My shade is 110N light, which is neutral light. My skin tone is more of a neutral undertone, that means it has a certain amount of warm undertone as well as cool undertone. So this neutral shade matches to me perfectly. It comes in a glass bottle, and the best thing is that it comes with a pump. I really like the idea of pump rather than a dropper. I feel pump is hassle free than a dropper. This foundation has a very buttery and soft consistency, though it looks thick, but as you move your fingers it just melts into your skin and it really feels hydrating on the skin. And talking about hydration, as it has many types of hydrating ingredients, this is best for normal to dry skin people. For oily skin you need to powder your face, but after some time you may feel oily or shiny. This gives a very beautiful glowy satiny kind of finish on the skin, and I'm all about it. I have a normal to dry skin and this foundation never clings to dry patches in winters. I love wearing this foundation in summers as well without any issue, but I powder a little bit to increase its staying power in hot summers. This gives a light to less than a medium coverage, I would say. As you can see, it doesn't completely hides my skin tags and my dark circles. For extremely dry skin beauties, I will give you one trick. If you don't want to apply powder and yet you want to remove the shine, You can put a tissue paper on your face and you can remove the extra shine without touching powder. So here we came to end of this video, guys, but before saying bye, I would like to mention few points. As it is more of a hydrating foundation and not a matte one, it doesn't dries on skin completely, and hence it is not a transfer proof foundation. It does transfer on your phone or wherever you touch your face, and staying power of this foundation is around 6 hours. So yeah, that's all for today's video, guys. I really hope that you liked the video, and if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time with a new video. Till then, take good care of yourself, stay healthy and stay beautiful. Bye bye.